is the way that one plays out. Before I let you go, I do want to get your thoughts on Palantir Technologies buying $50 million in gold bars in August, according to their filing. As we know, TSLA is one of its largest shareholders, but this move is reflecting a growing trend of companies stashing cash in unconventional assets in response to this economic uncertainty. We've got Microstrategy, Tesla, Square. They're among corporations that have added Bitcoin to their portfolios. Tesla has actually said that it could also add investments in gold bullion. What does this signal to you? Do you see this trend continuing of companies diversifying their cash into other safe haven assets like gold and even Bitcoin?
Well, these moves that companies are making are very bold and vociferous and strong testaments to how far down the rabbit hole central banking, this grand experiment, has gone. They speak to the fact that there is a huge concern about the soundness of the money, about the sanctity of fiat currency, about central banks tearing away by having goals of rising inflation. And I think companies are in their rights to try and safeguard and protect their assets in as to the extent that they can. I'm not surprised to hear this announcement. My greater concern is that these types of moves are disregarded by central bankers, and yet they should not be.
So you see other companies adding gold, perhaps, and or Bitcoin?
You've always got to have a first mover in order to have people, firms, corporations go and follow after them. So yes, I do.
All right. And before I let you go, outlook on gold for the next 6 months.
I have not touched my gold holdings. I look at gold as being also a hedge in the storm when there is disruption. And again, I think that the U.S. political landscape is fraught with risk going forward, and that there's going to be a larger and larger cohort seeking out the stability of gold as we head towards the U.S. midterm elections. So I certainly wouldn't be touching my gold holdings. If anything, I would be adding to them at this juncture.